Well, I am done, guys. Everything looks like it's running smooth. Your new belts, the cowling is on. Everything is as it was, except you are there. We'll show. I know, luckily, I won't have any screeching of the belts anymore because of what happened. This, as you can see, you got to let this circulate, let all the air come out. And then what will happen is that'll drop probably for about another, maybe a quart or maybe two, a half a gallon. So you have to let the air get out of the system. Let it run for about, I'd say 15 to 20 minutes. And then double check your work. I put the oil in. I added the motor lubricant. You know, it's sort of like STP, but it's called Motor Honey, sweetheart. Did the battery cables, clean those off, and I just got to fill the overflow reservoir as soon as all the air comes out of the radiator. As you can see, there's still air coming out, and sooner or later, what will happen is it'll either bubble out or it will drop as soon as the air escapes. It's like anything else; you got to believe it, let it run, so it circulates through the engine. I could step on the gas if I wanted to. You know what, let it, okay, it's starting to go down itself. Okay, as you can see now, it's starting to go down. The air pocket is coming out. So, there you go, it's starting to come out now. So that means it's circulating. Okay, so if you ever do this in the future, you know you just can't add, and do not add regular water. Regular water will destroy today's radiators. They are meant for distilled water or you know, 50-50 antifreeze, which is already mixed. So whatever you do not put plain water in the car unless it's an emergency. If you're stuck in the middle of a desert or anything like that and you got to get home, then that's a different story. You can piss in this thing and it'll get you home if you got enough urine in you. Okay, it seems like I got it full. What I'll have to do is I'll have to check it later on. Okay, I don't see no more air coming out, and I don't see any leaks anywhere. No oil or water leaks. And it's just nice to hear a quiet truck again. But like I said, this was a very, very simple job. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I'll be adding any more fluid. I'll just add a little bit to the overfill, and I got to get myself another cap. This is cracked. So, otherwise, that's it, guys. This is KD6SBR. If you have any questions regarding this repair, feel free to email me, and I'll answer any questions you may have if I can help you out. Okay, thanks, guys. Bye-bye.